Hi, Tags Dad and fam here. I got my daughter with me, and we are going to show you how to tell if your Labubu is real or fake.
Fake.
So we have these two Labubus right here. What do you think? What do you think, Amelia? Can you tell which one is real or fake? How would you tell? Why don't you walk us through the tips and tricks?
The first one is you can tell by the head twisting. Yeah, this one does twist. So this might be fake. And this one, not even an inch. So it looks like by the ears, they'll kind of fall apart. They're kind of shorter than the other.
Yeah, and on this one, the ears are much longer, and they're right on top of the head. They're closer together.
And the other one is you can tell by the
tag.
This one right here has like more stuff on it. More.
Tag's white. It's got this logo.
Yeah.
Right here.
That one's white, but this one's not white. It's kind of looks kind of gray. I don't know. Maybe a darkish, kind of light brown.
And this is like all fabric, it feels like, whereas this is kind of like plasticky a little bit.
Like, it kind of seems like...
Oh, and then the color of the face too, right? You can tell. I don't know if you can see this very well, but this guy's actually a bit more tan than the other one. He's kind of a little pale in comparison here.
Oh, yeah. This one has like all skin color, and this one's kind of pale.
So this one's head spin. It's paler. It's got the same mark on the bottom, the same other company name there. And yeah. Which one do you think is real or fake? One.
And you can also tell they say it's like supposed to be 9 teeth here. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So they're both the same teeth. So that might be when they designed it.
Well, that's it. That's how you tell. If the head spins, and then also the position of the ears. You also want to pay attention to the color of the face, and make sure it has that stamp at the bottom, obviously, and then also the color and the feel of your tag, and then any of the markings on it as well. So there, that's what that looks like.
And make sure to look at the teeth, because I had a Labubu with only 8 teeth.
Ooh, those are really great tips. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Thanks for watching our video. Make sure you like and subscribe. We really appreciate all your support.
And make sure you guys don't find fake Labubus. Bye.
And if you guys need any help with your Labubus determining if they're real or fake, message us and we can help you. Bye-bye.